the Bite Beauty liquid lipsticks that I got. A Mousse Boost liquefied lip with resveratrol. I guess it reserves your lips. What I really like about Bite Beauty is they're like 99% food grade, all their lip products. They only do lip products. It's made with natural and organic ingredients. I have tried these before in the store and I went back and forth about these, and I only got them because they were on sale. Because I feel like at that price point of $24, and they're advertised as a liquid lip, which when I say liquid lip, when I say advertised, I mean if you write liquid lip on something, to me that means matte, that means it's gonna stay for a significant amount of time, you know, at least through your morning coffee. And these are not that. So I feel like at $20 and up, I don't know the exact price, I'll add that in. I have high expectations for a liquid lip. So in this sense, it's not worth the $20 plus whatever it is, but for $12, I feel like it is worth it. And I'll tell you why. One, it's food grade, it's made with natural and organic ingredients. And when they say food grade, it means like if you think about all the stuff you put on your lips and you're eating, you're drinking, you're ingesting it. If you have kids, you're kissing your kids, you're kissing your loved ones, significant others. And you're, you know, it's not, like for example with an eyeliner, I don't really mind as much if there's stuff in it. Obviously I don't want toxic stuff in it, but if it's on your lips, I feel like you want to be a little bit more careful. And then also it has really nourishing things in it. And like I said, I've tried these. They're really moisturizing. They feel nice in terms of liquid lip. But they're not really matte, and they're more like a kind of a gloss. But anyway, so as I said before, I swatched these on my arm. It wiped away. So as you can see, like I wiped it with a wipe. You can kind of see this was the Urban Decay pencil, a faint glimmer of that, and these were the two bite on top. I don't know if you can even see it. So it's not very long lasting. Like it was just a regular baby wipe and it came off, but the colors are kind of cool. So again, this is Chicory. I should have had my phone so I could look at the description of it. I just think it's a really pretty pinkish brown, rosy brown. And then there's Yucca, which is more of like a earthy brown, I think it might be described as. And like all the names are cute, like Yucca, Chicory, Arrowroot, which are all things like you could eat. I think chicory root is something you use to it's like a sugar alternative. So here's the consistency. It has kind of like a doe foot applicator. I mean, the packaging is sleek and matte. It's nice. You can kind of see the color, which is kind of true to what's here. So then this is how it applies. And I never put it on this thick. Oh my gosh. And I'm not using a liner because I want people to see what it looks like on my skin tone. And this is a lot. Like I would not put it on like this. I want people to see. I don't know if you can see what I mean in terms of, it's not like a matte lip that you're thinking of. Like it's not like, you know, like Super Stay Matte Ink or a higher end liquid lip. Like it's weird. Like it dries down but not fully. And you see it's kind of glossy, it's not matte. And it transfers. So in that sense, like when I think of a matte, of a liquid lipstick, I think of drying down matte. I think of it probably not transferring as much. But I also think of it as being drying and not moisturizing, and this is moisturizing. So there's that. It does kind of make like lines here, but as I said, I wouldn't put it on this thick. And as you can see, it is starting to dry. And then it kind of like sinks into your lips, so like these lines kind of start to go away. Because I don't, whatever oils are in here, maybe that's the resveratrol. It's got coconut oil, fruit extracts. I think that's vitamin E. So it's got a lot of peppermint oil, grapeseed extract, which is really good. I take that supplement actually. So as you can see, as it's drying down, the color is kind of changing, which I think is kind of cool about this. So you see how when it applied, it was very intense, but now it's like drying down and like becoming almost like another color. And I don't know if it's specific to different skin tones. I don't really see a lot of videos about this, so I thought that was interesting. And that's kind of one of the things that attracted me to this. But again, for $12, not $24. So that's chicory. I don't know if you can see that, chicory. So let's see, it's dried down a little bit. Let's see about the transfer of this. I think it's still gonna transfer, but it does. I mean, not as bad, but it is gonna transfer. So that's that. And we'll do yucca. I should probably get a new one. Okay. So this was yucca, the bottom one. This is more like pinkish, rosy-ish. And this is yucca, which to me it's more of like a orangey kind of brown. So again, here's how it applies. It's really glossy. The applicator is not bad. Like, you can kind of be precise with it. It's a really interesting formula. Like, it's like in between a gloss and I don't even know, like, and there's so many different types of look. I mean, I guess it's really not like anything I've tried before. Okay. I feel like yucca applies, looks better on my skin tone. I don't know, chicory I really like because I'm always trying to find that perfect rosy, nudish kind of a brown, and chicory is close to it. Oh my gosh, I have it all over my pants now. So as you can see, yucca is kind of drying down. I'm trying to wipe off all the lipstick on my pants. Yucca's drying down also, but again, they do transfer. They don't become matte. So if you like a liquid lipstick that becomes matte, you're not gonna like this. But it is very moisturizing, so there's that. So as it dries, I don't know if I can speed up this process, or I can I can edit. But as it dries down, you'll see it doesn't stay this color, which I guess could be a pro or con depending on what you want. Like, if you want it to stay like this, it doesn't. I don't know if it kind of like merges with your lips. I don't know what the word is, oxidizes. I don't think that's the right word, but the color changes, which I think is kind of cool. But if you want it to stay exactly like this, it's not going to do that for you. So we'll stop the video and